In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube script using Microsoft Bing Copilot in just 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in and make the most of your scripting experience with Copilot. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and run a quick search for Copilot. This will lead you to the right page where you can begin the process. Once there, you'll need to log into Copilot. You have the option to use your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account, so go with whichever one you're most comfortable with. Logging in is straightforward and ensures you have access to all the features necessary for creating your script. Now, it's crucial to remember that the quality of your script largely depends on the prompt you provide. The more detailed and specific your initial instructions are, the better and more tailored the AI's response will be. So, start by describing your video's main topic. Consider what your video is about and what you want to convey to your viewers. The aim here is to give Copilot a clear understanding of the video's focus. Next, identify your target audience. Think about who you're creating this video for. Whether it's beginners looking for an introduction, seasoned professionals seeking expert insights, or a general audience. This step helps Copilot get a sense of the appropriate language and complexity level for your script. Moving on to the tone. Decide if you want the script to be educational, casual, funny, or professional. The tone sets the stage for how your audience will perceive the content, so be sure to communicate this effectively in your prompt. Once you have those foundational elements down, it's time to specify the format you'd like the script to take. If you're looking for a YouTube script with a hook, introduction, main points, and a call to action, make sure to set this expectation from the get-go. This structure will ensure your video is engaging and flows smoothly from start to finish. You'll also want to list out any key points or specific information you want included. These are your talking points, the heart of your content, and it's essential to lay them out clearly for Copilot to incorporate them adequately. After submitting your detailed prompt to Copilot, it will generate a draft script for you. Don't hesitate to ask for revisions if necessary. Maybe you want the introduction to be more captivating or need some adjustments on how certain points are presented. For example, you could request to make the hook more energetic if it requires an additional boost. This iterative process allows you to refine the script until it perfectly matches your vision. And that's it. With these steps, you've learned how to efficiently create a YouTube script using Microsoft Bing Copilot in just 5 minutes. Now you're ready to craft engaging content that resonates with your audience. Happy creating!